guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm going to cook. Korean konjungo kimchi찌개. This is canned goods mackerel. Ayan. So this is called in Korean kimchi godeungeoTongjorimJigae. Ayan. So, let's start, guys. Ayan. I don't know when I KimchiGodeungeoTongjorimJigae. So, start. Recipe is mackerel. Jojirin, it means canned goods. Gochujang, onion, chili, potato, and also kimchi. So, let's start, guys. Recipe na and then hits, cover it for a while. Ayan. Aking kimchi godeungeoTongjorimJigae. Ayan guys, kumukulo na yung aking kimchi godeungeoTongjorimJigae. Gingerim, it means canned goods. Ayan na siya. guys, ayan. Ang aking kimchi godeungeoTongjorimJigae. Ayan. So guys, thank you so much. Sana, lalo na ngayong lockdown, maraming pwedeng canned goods na pwede natin gawa ng paraan. So, dahil pare-pareho natin nararanasan ito, matuto tayong maging productive kung ano yung ipiprepare natin na pagkain sa kanila. Kahit na maging canned goods pa yan, gawa natin ng alternative way kung paano natin pasasarapin. So guys, thank you. If you are new here on my channel, please don't forget to click my subscribe button, like, comment, and share, and most especially my notification bell to keep update on my new uploaded video. Thank you so much. Bye everyone. KimchiGodeungeoTongjorimJigae. It's mean mackerel chew. Yan na siya.